there are lots of smiling adult faces in this waiting room at Victoria General Hospital, but soon there will be smiling children, as the hospital officially opens a new ER waiting area specifically for children and families. Work on this room actually started about 7 years ago, when the hospital auxiliary noticed a lot of families struggling to keep their kids calm while waiting for emergency room treatment.
Part of the concern has always been that if you have children in amongst adults who are sick, it's scary.
So the idea took shape, and work began to convert an old physiotherapy gym into a kids area. But then COVID-19 hit and the room was turned into an isolation space for COVID patients, halting the project. But now the hospital is able to bring the auxiliary's dream to life.
Way beyond what we even imagined 7 years ago.
The newly dubbed KidKave features chairs, charging banks for phones and tablets, space for children to roam, and a mural put together by 5 local artists.
To give the kids a place that looked familiar, because this is the kind of scenes that we see all over the city, in every single bay that we go.
It is also staffed with a mobile nursing station, so nurses can be monitoring the kids in the waiting room.
There's always eyes on the kids, which was an important factor for safety down here.
However, families can't just walk right in.
It's an assigned space. We built exclusion criteria from triage, so you're assigned to come down here, and there's little green dots on the floor that you'd follow to come down.
Island Health says children that are medically stable and don't require immediate emergent care will be sent here. And so far, it's receiving good reviews.
We've heard that it's just nice to have a quiet space to allow your kids to run around. They felt in the main waiting room, if they put their kid down, they'd lose their seat to sit in, being able to talk with other families.
The hospital auxiliary contributed $75,000 towards opening the space and has earmarked another $25,000 to bring in books and toys for children to play with, as well as future upgrades.
And it's a space that I think will grow with it, too.
The KidKave is currently open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., but there is hope to expand operating hours in the future.